is a project called Mission Rabies to eradicate rabies disease from India, and we are working in Goa for the last 4 years from 2013, and we have brought down the number of rabies deaths to zero in Goa state. When we started, it was about 17 human people were dying, but now it is zero. We are doing vaccination to the dogs. 70% of the dogs in Goa states are being vaccinated every single year, and we are as well doing a part of sterilization of the dogs, and a big education awareness is going on continuously, covering about 1,400 schools, and we have covered about 3 lakh children already and about 13,000 teachers already directly by our education. We are educating the children to avoid dog bites, and we are educating the children how they are getting this rabies disease, and we are educating the children how they can manage if somebody is bitten by the dogs, and we are educating the children how we can bring down the number of dog bites in Goa state. So all this education is going to help a lot, and we have brought down the rabies death, and as well we have brought down the number of dog bites. In fact, now come down from 22,000 to about 15 to 16,000.
जर कुत्रे आसात तांकां दर एक वर्सा एकदा वॅक्सिनेशन करात, तांकांय रेबीज जावचे ना, आमकांय कसलोच खतरो आसना. दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमचो जो कचरो जो आसा आमी रस्त्याचेर चड उडयल्यार कुत्र्यांची संख्या वाडटा. आमचे खुबशे रिसर्चेन अशेंच मेळ्ळां की कुत्र्याची संख्या कशें वाडटा की जर आमी रस्त्याचेर सगळो कचरो उडयल्यार कुत्र्याची संख्या वाडत आसता. आमी जर गार्बेज कलेक्शन आमचें बरें करून करतलीं सो कुत्र्यांची संख्या सुद्दां कम जातली. आणि खुबश्यो आमची स्किम्यो आसात जी आमी कुत्र्यांक धरतात आनी ऑपरेशन करतात आनी मागीर तांकां तांच्या जाग्यार सोडटात. सो ही आमची मेसेज सगळ्या गोंयकारांक दिवपाक आमी सोदतात की आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन जर रेबीजा बद्दल आमी कितें केलें जाल्यार आमचें गोंय आखो देश आमी अशें रेबीज फ्री, रेबीज मुक्त करूंक शकता.